Welcome to Dine at JVR. This is chicken nirvana, chicken boneless, turmeric powder, red chili powder, chicken masala spices, pepper powder, 1 fresh lemon. Mix the marinated well and wait for 2 hr. Now fry the marinated chicken.
Now preheat the bottom surface of banana leaf to a pale green. The chicken is ready enough.
Now, in a fresh frying pan, apply butter to grease. Now place the preheated leaf.
Riju got her fingers burnt touching the hot pan. Oops.
Curry leaves. Place all the fried chicken cubes,
Green chilies, cinnamon stick, cardamom, sprinkle, pepper powder.
now pour 2 cups of coconut milk. Now in a low flame, let the gravy to thicken.
At this consistency, put off flame.
At this, the dish is ready to be served hot.
We served with just made red grape wine. Nirvana can be done on any non-veg